Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add passkey to your Gmail, whether for website or for app. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage account on this device. Then go ahead and click on Google. Then go ahead and click on password manager. Then go ahead and click on passkeys. And then go ahead and click on add password. Now you are here. You can enter the site name right here, or better still, you can click on select apps. When you click on apps right here, it's going to load all apps you have on your Android phone right here. So next thing you want to do is to select any app that you want to add passkey to. For instance, if I want to add passkey to my Instagram, I'll click on Instagram right here. It has been added. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply enter my username and a password to the Instagram account. Then lastly, I will come to the top right here and hit on save. So by default, I'm going to go ahead and enter the username to the Instagram account. Then go ahead and enter the password. Make sure you enter the correct password. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on save, and a passkey is going to be generated for the app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.